Okay. So shall start. Hold up for a minute. Okay, so we're gonna see. Okay, so we're gonna see today Thevenin's. Sorry, will move into faster manner. Thevenin's and Norton. Okay, both are same. Only small differences are there in these two. Okay, so everyone knows about this theorem. What does it says? Okay, what this theorem states. Okay, everyone is uh, familiar with this. Okay, right? Can anyone help me out in reciting once just what Thevenin's circuit or Thevenin's theorem says? Can anyone recite it out?
The Thevenin theorem states that any linear bilateral circuit where two or more voltage source it converts into one voltage source and a series resistance.
Mhm. And anything else to add? Anyone could add some more part in this? Opponent is coming. Okay. Okay. So he conclude. Okay, he concluded in arbitrary manner in some of the point. Okay. So is it anyone interested to add up some more point? Okay, what does he have added or get more their views into this? What is your Thevenin or Norton according to you? Can you anybody else?
सर जो सर्किट होता है उसको थेवेनिन्स थ्योरम के यूज से हम लोग शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं और सिंपल बना सकते हैं।
How?
जिसमें कि सिर्फ एक वोल्टेज सोर्स होगा जिसको एक नेम देंगे हम लोग थेवेनिन्स वोल्टेज, और एक इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड होता है जिसको सीरीज के साथ कनेक्टेड रहता है लोड रेजिस्टेंस।
Okay, that is your Thevenin's resistance बोलते हैं उसको, right?
यस
Thevenin equivalent resistance बोलते हैं, okay? Yeah, चलो एक ये इसने एक पॉइंट ये इन्होंने बता दिया, right? Explaining, okay, the procedure भी explain हो गया है somewhat, right? Okay, fine. Okay, someone has written his cell network is Piyush. Okay, from my end or from your end, Piyush? My voice is clear to rest of you, right? Because my
Yes,
net,
sir, clear.
because my net also may be fluctuate in further classes because I'm using it very frequently from since morning. Okay, so it may happen. Okay, so whatever you are told or were all correct. Okay, it's not wrong. Everything is correct. Some of your friend has told that these two theorem is actually a procedure, okay, to solve any circuit in a particular manner. Okay, right. If we consider this as circuit A and this as circuit B, okay, with hand we have, right? So it can also be solved using theorems or Nortons, where this इसको हम consider कर देंगे your resistive load, and if this could be resolved and it could be connected at the right in this fashion, if in this form it has been connected, तो ये हो जाएगा VTH, ये हो जाएगा RTH. Okay, so it can be converted. Okay, any circuit can be converted to its equivalent form, Thevenin's or Norton's equivalent form. Okay, so और इसको अगर दूसरे टाइप से हम एक्सप्लेन करें, so if you have any network, okay, if you have any network, this is your network. This is your plus minus, name is your AB, current is flowing across this. Okay, so any network can be reduced to two of its equivalent circuit. Okay, naming one as Thevenin model will write. Okay, and we'll have
Only linear bilateral network now.
yes. Okay, I will write it. Linear bilateral. Okay, fine. It is.
Yes,
It
sir.
would be a Norton's model. Okay, which would be equivalent to your this. This is your V. This I will make either impedance. If it is DC, okay, it will be reduced. In AC, it will be counted. Okay, so plus minus. Okay, if this is your terminal A and this is your terminal B. Yeah, right. And for Norton, it will be your just a small changes is made, that is it's been in the form of current. Okay, ये हो जाएगा Z equivalent and this would be your plus minus A and B, right? This is a model that could be turnover. Okay, Sachin is not able to join. Okay, it's trying from since now. From this we could take out, okay, where, okay, in that circuit we could account in these particular circuits, okay, we could account that your VOC, okay, is your open circuit voltage. Okay, okay, I will write very clearly. Okay, it is a open circuit voltage between two terminals. Okay, that is your A and B. And your ISC, what was written, which is a short circuit current between two terminal, that is your A and B, when V is equals to 0, right? This is what we got. And your Z equivalent, okay, Z equivalent would be your VOC by IS, right? So this is what we get these things from out, okay. If we go more clear, okay, writing about Thevenin's, okay, what Thevenin's says, or what Thevenin's account, okay. So in this we could write okay, as you all told, it is applicable in linear and bilateral circuit. Okay. So if a network is there of a linear, okay, which comprise of RLC, will write not RLC, will write RLC network. Okay, a linear RLC network, okay, which contains one or more, as he told, which contains one or more independent, okay, will account independent, because this also okay, I will account both, okay, independent or dependent sources, either be your volt or I, whatever way it may be, okay, can be replaced by one volt source. Okay, this is what it is meaning, that is your VOC with a series equivalent impedance. Okay, we are talking about RLC with impedance. Okay, this is what Thevenin's says. Okay, this is what we have now. If we talk about your Norton's, the same thing could be replaced with a 1 volt, one current sources with a equivalent impedance connected in parallel to the current source. That is what we account any circuit. Okay, where further it also describe lot of things, but everything is been known to you. You have studying from that account. I will just omit that part and will focus on the important thing, that is the practice. Okay, I will account one question that will you could have to solve with the help of Thevenin's, and another question in which you both the things you have to, from the both of the method you have to find the values. Okay, so I will give one this circuit. I'll try to find good questions that could be helpful. Okay, this is your RL, that is your 3 ohm. What you have to find, you have to find V across this, and this is given your 20 volt, this is given your 15 ampere, this is given your 15 ampere, this is given your 6 ohm, this is your 1 ohm, this is your 2 ohm. Okay, using Thevenin's find V. Okay, or we name as VL, as this is, I have named RL, we'll name it as VL. Okay, using Thevenin circuit, find what is VL, okay, or voltage across 3 ohm. This is the question. Question 1. Okay, now you have to find. So, chalo, I will give you few minutes to start. Okay, then after I will be continuing with the entire part. Okay, I will also be work out with this. Okay, as I in earlier time in starting of this, I was telling, if we consider the circuit A and this as circuit B, and you have to find this is your voltage drop across these two. If you could analyze this particular segment, okay, if we account this as your circuit 1, and if we account this as your circuit A and circuit B, right? This may be the one of the kind where you could maybe proceed, or somewhere you could get you get the answer questions in this manner. Okay, if you in circuit A and circuit B form, and you could be getting some of the data in circuit A. Okay, it may be questions may come in this fashion as well. Okay, so before let's focus on this part. If we get the same that kind of question in anywhere while having your gate question solved, then we could also work on that. Okay, we'll not get a so complex question in your gate or any other competition examination, because there is less. Okay, as the question was there for superposition, very small circuits were there. Okay, that particular kind of question would be there, like this was one network, this was one current source, and this was one current source, and you have to find that. These questions may come. Okay, this is very easy to solve using superposition theorem and all. Okay, so this is one question to you. Just provide me the answers. We have to find your that is VL, and how you could proceed and what things you have to consider. We'll see. First of all, it's totally on you how to solve. I will give you a few minutes. Presently it is 42. We'll start discussing from 45 onwards. Okay, how it could be solved. Okay. Could you give me a hint? Okay, from 45, we'll wait for 2 more minutes. We'll ask somebody to tell me. Or if you anyone want to solve on this particular platform, you can, if annotations is coming, you could start doing in this particular thing only using your hand. If annotations are visible. Or might be it will not be visible because some time I Okay, time's up. So tell me, first step, how we will be reducing this? Could you tell me any first step? Anyone?
सर आरटीएच फाइंड करेंगे, आरएल को रिमूव करके, ओपन सर्किट करके, और सारा जितना भी सोर्सेस है उसको इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस से रिप्लेस करके।
ओके, चलो तो पहला है, लेट्स फाइंड आरटीएच, राइट? तो आरटीएच का सर्किट कैसे बनेगा? दिस इज योर वन, दैट वुड बी योर सॉर्टेड, ये रहेगा, राइट? ये रहेगा, राइट? This would be open, right? Again this would be open, right? ये हमारा सबसे पहला स्टेप तो हमारा ये है, ये काउंट को हटा देंगे, will not-
remove RL. Yes sir.
the very first step, your B A, right? This will be your RTH, right?
Yes.
Right? तो ये हमारा ये भी रहेगा, right? This one. So this is your 6, this is your 1, this is your 2. So what is the RTH is coming? 3, 2 parallel में, right?
2 sir, 2.
Yeah, 3 into 6 by 3 plus 6, is it? It will be this. So it's 18 by 9, that is your 2 ohm, right? Now, अब ये circuit को हम will write draw over here to find your VTH. VTH बनाने के लिए what will be your circuit? यहाँ पे क्या था, प्लस माइनस 20, ये ऐसे जाकर के 6 ohm, this was your 1 ohm, okay, this point, यहाँ से जाकर के it was 15, over here it was 2 ohm, right? इसी में सर्किट ऐसे एक्सटेंड हो करके it was your A B and that is your VTS, that is equal to VOC, right? और एक यहाँ पे भी था ना, so जो यहाँ पे आएगा, this at this particular according to the theorems, okay, the VOC, okay, will be your VTH. So at this particular portion, what will be your voltage drop will be your VTH. तो इसको कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? Very simpler way, if we account, कैसे होगा बताओ? If we, I will change the color of this pen. Okay. तो इसको गौर से देखोगे, if you want to solve this particular thing, अगर हम लूप के से जाने की कोशिश करेंगे, we go according to loop, so this, okay, this will also account, so lot of equations will come, okay, so we'll omit that process, जो lengthy process होगा उसको omit करेंगे. अब हम इसको अकाउंट करेंगे in the form of KCL. चलो हम लोग KVL को इग्नोर कर दिए, we'll go with the KCL process, okay, KCL process. तो कहाँ पे हमारा नोट पड़ रहा है? एक ये सेगमेंट में पड़ रही है, एक ये सेगमेंट में पड़ रही है, एक ये सेगमेंट में पड़ रही है. दिस इज ऑल्सो देयर बट विल वहां से सब टॉपिक्स नहीं मिल पाएगा, राइट? हमें जो चाहिए. नाउ ऑन दिस विल सी दैट व्हाट इज बीन टू बी नोन, ओके, हम क्या हमें चाहिए, वी हैव यू वांट दिस पार्ट, ओके, और दो इक्वेशन काफी होती है टू सॉल्व एनी unknown parameter because lot of parameters are already been given, right? So ये यहाँ पे जो ड्रॉप है यहाँ पे भी सेम ही रहेगा, so this will be your VOC, right? और ये हुआ, तो इसको नाम दे देंगे, इसको हम नाम दे देते हैं V, okay? So we got V and we got VOC, right? अब if we apply KCL, okay, applying KCL on नोड V, ओके, इस नोड पे अगर हम KCL अप्लाई करेंगे तो व्हाट थिंग वी वुड बी गेटिंग, क्या क्या हमारा ये रहेगा, राइट? तो ये टर्मिनल में हमें पता है यहाँ पे कितना है, इट्स 20 वोल्ट, राइट? सो ये एक हो गया और ये एक हो गया, सो विल राइट इक्वेशन इन दिस मैनर, ओके. KCL के लिए अगर यहाँ पे करेंगे तो इट विल बी 20 माइनस V और if we account in the another fashion, okay, we account in this, ये हमारा known factor है, we account in
2 और VTH 30 आया से वोल्ट में एम्पियर में।
VTH आया है 30 volts. Okay, perfect. We'll see. और क्या आया है?
RTH से 2।
RTH हम लोग निकालिए, that is your, we'll write over here same, RTH is 2. Okay, so we could easily find, उसका V का भी वैल्यू बता दो, that is VL का भी वैल्यू बता दो, right? So if we write V minus 20 by 1, that would be equal to, okay, at that particular point, not equal to, okay, दूसरा current होगा, that would be plus V minus VOC by 2, right? Plus एक वहाँ segment जाएगा, that is your 15, and another this segment plus 15 would equals to 0, right? This will be your equation 1. अब यहाँ पे concentrate करके देखोगे तो what equation will get? If we account that, यहाँ पे देखो इसका भी current add हो रहा है, this 15, and इसका भी current add हो रहा है यहाँ पे, right? So this equation would be your first this V minus VOC by 2, right? That is your 15 plus your 20 minus VOC by 6 और कुछ है नहीं, equals to 0. Now we got two equation, right? अब इसको solve करोगे, we will get the answer. Okay. Piyush, you got the same equation?
Yes sir।
Okay. So on solving that, he also got the same equation. So this VTH is your 30, right? And your RTH is 2. So we'll form a new circuit, that is your, this will plus minus, this will be your VTH, this would be your ITH, that is 2, and this is your 30 volts. And what was the 3 ohm, right? 3 ohm. That is your RL, that equals to 3, and we have to find voltage drop across this, that is your VL. So current jo hoga, we have to find the current in that particular circuit, and we could easily find. Okay. So क्या होगा VL? VL would be the current division rule लगाएंगे तो भी हो सकता है. This is your 18 volt, right? This is the answer what we have desired of, right? This is only answer what we have desired of. Okay, चलो एक question है बहुत अच्छा. If we fail to continue in this particular segment, will continue in next class, or your homework will be there. कोई जो solve कर लेगा, I will ask them to share and explain. Okay. This is a question. In this, you have to solve using Norton or theorem both. Maybe some of you have solved while studying in your regular paper. Okay, this is the actual question. Will give you 2 MV, 2K. This is given as your V2 by 5000. This is given as 50 I1. Okay. this is given as your 20K. Okay, this is your I1. Okay, this is the question what we have, right? और डिटेलिंग में क्या दे सकते हैं, we account this particular segment I2 will be 0 as there is no current at this particular point. V2, okay. Anything else is left? Okay, yeah. So using and Norton okay, so I will make it very clear. Okay, so for Thevenin's you have to find your VOC, and for Norton you have to find ISC. Only this question asks these two. Okay, so in this only if we go for your this Thevenin's only. Okay, so this would equal to your VOC. Okay, this is your VOC, right? And for if you want to have for your Nortons, that is ISC, I will just change this figure. I will giving you, okay, this is your ISC. Okay, where this part would be removed. Okay, but for this segment, let's consider this. Okay, this is the circuit you have to find, that V2 will be equals to VOC, right? Now you have what you have to find, you have to find a VOC and you have to find ISC only. Okay, okay, as this class ends, so it will be ending around 5 minutes minus 3. So do join from 3:15 onwards, 3:15 onwards. Okay, for the system class, I will let me arrange steps meanwhile that what we will account to do in this. Okay, I was asked to have one this session, so I have to take. Okay, so tell me, this is easy. You could solve in 5 minutes. There is 5-minute time. You could solve within 5 minutes. At least tell me VOC value. Just see and just tell me what will be your VOC value. It may come in your this examinations, any competitive examination. This look very complex, okay, but it's very easy. Okay, they are joining right now.
सर आरपीएस तो 2K ही होगा.
आरटीएच में हमको जाना ही नहीं ना. आई ओनली नीड योर VOC. मैंने यहाँ पे दिया ही नहीं है. वी डू नॉट रिक्वायर टू फॉर्म योर इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस एंड ऑल, राइट. हमें सिर्फ VTH चाहिए. VOC मींस VTH, राइट. ओनली VTH वी हैव टू फाइंड. आरटीएच में जाकर कोई इसमें यही नहीं है. और आरटीएच तुम कैसे कर रहे हो? यू हैव नोटिस टू थिंग, दिस टू सेगमेंट. ये क्या है?
सर ये ओपन है सर.
ओपन नहीं, ये है क्या? दिस आर द डिपेंडेंट सोर्सेस. इसको सॉर्ट ओपन कुछ नहीं कर सकते. तो आरटीएच ऐसे सॉल्व नहीं होगा, राइट. वो विल आल्सो सॉल्व इन नेक्स्ट क्लास with all the circuits if they have डिपेंडेंट सोर्सेस उसको कैसे आरटीएस कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, विल गो इनटू दैट पार्ट। अभी सिर्फ वीटीएच फाइंड करना है, दैट इज योर वीओसी, ओके, और इक्वल्स टू वी2, दिस सेगमेंट, यही सेगमेंट को जस्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड। सिंपल है ना, दो सर्किट है, देखो इसको अगर दो टर्म में डिवाइड करोगे, एक इक्वेशन यहाँ से बनेगा, एक इक्वेशन यहाँ से बनेगा। जस्ट सॉल्व, जस्ट गिव टू इक्वेशन एंड सॉल्व इट।
सर मिली वोल्ट दिए हुए हैं।
हाँ, दिस इज योर 2 मिलीवोल्ट, ये 2K है, ये V2 है बाई 5000, दैट्स ऑल, दैट इज द ह्यूज अमाउंट। ओके, 2 मिनट्स इज लेफ्ट, मैं भी तब तक तुम्हारे साथ सॉल्व करता हूँ। if you go for this particular circuit, अगर इसमें हम जाएंगे, so we'll have okay 2K, इसको 2K में नहीं लिखेंगे, okay, 2 into 10 to power minus 3, okay, would be equal to 2 into 10 to power 3 I1 plus V2 by 5000, इक्वेशन इधर से आएगा, okay, and for the another equation we'll get this particular segment will get your 20 into 10 to power 3